change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel. Today we are at the designer outlets.
Get you a drink. What do you want?
We're just queuing to get into the Disney character warehouse. So we're just yeah, it's not that much of a queue. It's still a little bit of a queue, but this place there's always a queue to get into here. Boo had her hair in pigtails, but she took it down because the sun was burning her neck. So yeah, we're just waiting to see what deals we've got in the character warehouse this time. Okay, so we've just been in the Disney character warehouse, and I must say that is the first time I've ever walked out of there with nothing. It was really, really bad. There was nothing in there that like jumped out at me. There was nothing. I always go in there and always buy something, but there was nothing. Madison bought Hair and Marvel ears and a little ornament, which she'll show you later. But other than that, there was nothing. Was there?
No.
It was just really bad. So we might go to the other outlets.
Really bad. Even I didn't find nothing.
Even Lee didn't find anything, and he buys a load of shit. So yeah, we're just gonna have a quick look round, and then we're gonna go to the other outlets, I think. So we have just left the Vineland premium outlets. We didn't, as I said, we didn't get anything in the Disney character warehouse. Lee came back to the car. Me and Boo stayed in there. We were looking for a pair of trainers for her, but we ended up going back to Puma in the end. So she ended up getting a pair of really nice Puma ones. And it's quite scary to think that she is into women's trainers now. It's actually quite scary, isn't it? Excuse that alarm, that's Kenzie's time cutting off. How do you feel that your youngest daughter's into ladies' trainers now?
She's going to get there eventually.
She's going to have big feet like her sister, isn't she?
Yeah. Going for her mouth.
She's going to have big feet like her sister Beth. Beth's like a size 8 or something like that, and she's only 10 at the moment, so I'm not expecting her to be like a... She may stop growing, I don't know, but she's got a lot of growth. She's got another 4 or 5 years of growing, maybe a bit more. I'm not sure what age they stop growing, but yeah. So we're on our way to the Orlando International Drive outlets. I'm not holding my breath that we'll be able to find anywhere to park, because we got to the outlets this morning at what, 10:30? Is it 10:30 we got to the outlets? Yeah, we got to the outlets at 10:30 this morning. Bearing in mind the shops don't open till 11, and it took us what, half an hour nearly to park? There was literally hardly any spaces. We just happened to go round and I spotted a disabled bay, so luckily obviously we managed to find somewhere to park, but it was absolutely heaving. Maybe because it's Thanksgiving week, I'm not sure, but yeah, we'll catch up with you when we get there.
Okay, so we're coming to Vineland and versus whatever it's called. I can't remember what it's called now. Vineland and whatever, and they've actually got a bigger range of lounge slides than the actual Disney store's got, or even the character warehouse has got less. So I'll have a quick turn around and I'll show you what we've got. I'm going to zoom out a bit so you can see they've got absolutely loads of them. Everything you can think of: Pikachu, Godzilla, Pokemon, even down. Oh, where's Wally? Oh, I do like that Ghostbusters one up there. That one's cool. Dora. Shrek. We got Garfield.
Another one now.
They've just got so many. Some really cool ones. A little Chucky one there. Not a Chucky one, it's not Chucky, is it? That's it. Pennywise. The loads of Spider-Man and the Marvel stuff. That's right. That one's cool. That is so cool. Coco. Oh, Goofy and Max. No. Okay, so aside from the lounge floats, it looks like they're absolutely nuts on the pop things. Which I personally don't get the idea of, because they just sit on the shelf collecting dust.
They got a sale. Some of them are $8.
Yeah, I see that, but I still don't think they're worth it. They just sit and collect dust. These pop things.
The ones that are $8 are good.
Well, they're not, because they still just sit on the shelf and collect dust.
No, that's what they are, babe. The collectibles, darling.
Well, can't see them being worth anything. Okay, so then they got your it's a gizmo. There's a gizmo. They got all your plushies. Did they have a gizmo up here? No. You got Goofy.
How much is he? He's cute. Not that cute.
They've got a donkey.
You know how much that Goofy is? $25.
Yeah, same with most of them. Oh, Gizmo.
He don't look as
Don't look as cute as that one. Look at this one, guys. Now this is what I call cute. Look at that.
I love Gizmo.
How much is it?
$25. But I'd rather pay that than that.
Yeah.
He's cute.
Yeah.
I love Gizmo.
So, I said they had a couple of pops. I did kind of lie slightly. Instead of just the... That's cool. I said they had a few pops. I lied. They've got like half a shop of pops. There's a Sully.
You got a Sully?
Yeah, that's the one I bought.
Oh yeah, I need to find... I've still got to find
Mike.
Boo and Mike.
Goofy.
Oh, they got a Goofy. I bet he ain't cheap.
Sporting Goods is hiring. We offer flexible store schedules, up to 25% team discount, competitive wages, career growth, and more. Ask a teammate about opportunities today or apply online at www.dix.com/jobs.
Snow falling down from the sky. I'm running over it like, baby, I got a surprise for you. Got a surprise for you. Last minute catching a flight. Ain't gonna miss it tonight. It don't matter how, but I'll get to you.
How you doing today, sir?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay, so we had better luck at the premium outlets at the International Drive, but much better luck than what we had at Vineland, which is unusual because normally it's the other way round. So we're just on the way back towards the villa via getting some dinner, and I spent quite a bit at the outlets, I'm not gonna lie. But it's still so hot here. And yeah, not really much else happening today. Sorry, I was looking at the police car. Okay, so we're in Dollar Tree. We're just having a look. We need to get some bits and pieces. We're in the one at Vineland because it's just easier when we go for dinner and stuff. But yeah, they got quite a bit in here, but I find some of the prices a little bit too high. But maybe that's just because it's Dollar Tree. But it seems like a lot of stuff isn't $1.25. It seems to be a lot more. But they have like a plus section. But yeah, we're going here. And then we're going back to the villa. Okay guys, so we are now home. We have been home a couple of hours, but we had things to do, so that's why it's a lot later in the evening. It's currently 9:30. The two little ones are in bed. Madison's up in her room. She's hurt her toe, I don't know what she's done to it. She's either stood on something or she's got a blister that's popped. And that's causing her great pain, like when she walks. I've had a productive day at the outlets today. I've got a few presents and stuff, so it's been good. Lee bought something at the outlets. Other than that, it's been quite a slow day, like, but I'm just trying to get like little gifts and stuff and everything before we like have to come home next week. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And also, we don't know who it was we saw at Discovery Cove yesterday, but they came and spoke to us. So if you are watching this, hello, we didn't catch your name. It was nice meeting you. It was a bit weird being noticed, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But, but yeah, it was nice being noticed. But yeah, if it was you, comment below because we don't know who it was. So yeah, until the next video, stay safe, stay happy, and we'll see you again soon. Bye guys.